Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. In this video, it shows BDS seeds matrix in SU area 2025-26. There are four colleges in SU area. So government college only one, remaining are privates. Here college wise and category wise seats information is given. Please observe carefully. It is helpful in your BDS counseling. Next, this is also SU area BDS seats arrangements. Next, complete category wise seats which are located in SU area. SU area. Here about BC category. Total 210 seats are available in both government and private colleges. This is the information about BDS seats in AU area, Andhra University area, 2025-26. So, seats information about category wise they are given. Please observe carefully. Number of colleges and seats are more in AU area when compared to SU area. About BDS seats. BDS seats seat matrix. Please subscribe Babdur Tech channel, like it and share. Thank you.